So designing your tile and stone project, and maybe you have some questions about how to terminate your tile, like where does it end? I've got a solution for you, a metal trim. These metal trim pieces are used all over the tile industry to serve all sorts of purposes, and you may need one for your installation. The simple benefit of metal edge trims are to terminate the edges of your tile. So when your tile is finished, and maybe you have drywall or transitioning to another finish like wood or a cabinet, you want to end that with a finished piece. This can often be a metal trim, maybe a simple L angle or even a cube shape to add an aesthetic flair to your installation. This metal trim does a couple of different things. It protects the edge of your tile from traffic. For instance, what if you've got a lobby that has a lot of rolling traffic? The UPS guy comes in all the time. Well, they make ramps and metal trims for that. This, again, gets that rolling traffic over the metal and onto the top of your tile without damaging the edge. The aesthetics, well, I'm not big on aesthetics. I can't match my clothes. But metal trim comes in all sorts of colors, sizes, and finishes. There's even trim out there that's gold. Can you imagine that? Whatever the purpose, whatever the transition you need, try a metal trim. If you love that product, I know you'll like this one. So click that video. I made it just for you. And also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, click that thumbs up notification, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future content. And as always, keep learning together and let's tile the world.